Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Today's video is all about fragrance. I'm coming to you with something I've never viewed on this channel before. Actually, I've never even had it in my collection before. It's new. I stumbled upon it in 2017. I am talking about none other than fragrances from Tiffany Co. Before we get started though, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, and it will definitely notify you every single time a video is put out on this channel. Without further ado, let's get started. I don't have any Tiffany fragrances in my collection. I did, like I said, stumble upon them in 2017, 2018 even, and I just never, made the purchase. I liked it, really wanted it, but it just wasn't like, get it, you know what I mean? So finally, after months, actually years at this point, I finally did go ahead and get it. So let's talk about what I have in today's fragrances. I have two of them that I want to share with you. I want to tell you how they're doing. If you are a Tiffany lover, if you love Tiffany, you love the brand, I would say definitely go for it. It's really beautiful. I love the packaging. I am a Tiffany girl. I love Tiffany. It was one of the brands that I very first came across for luxury, and I just fell in love with it. The Tiffany jewelry, the earrings, the return to Tiffany, just the ring, all of it I just really loved. Let's get into how it smells, because I'm going to give you exactly my honest 100% true thoughts and opinion. So I have two fragrances here that I want to cover with you because I did pick up two of them. Let's start with the newest one. The newest one here is Tiffany Sheer. Okay, and I've had this fragrance for probably about 2 weeks now, and I have the packaging here, you guys. It's so new. Okay, like I just took the ribbon off, came out of the plastic, but I wanted to wear it for you so that I can bring you 100% true, authentic, genuine review. So I have worn it. This is the one Sheer. I think this is the latest one that has come out. I think this retails for a 1 fluid ounce for $68. The packaging is beautiful. I mean, it's the signature Tiffany packaging. The bottle is very pretty. It looks like this. It looks like I got the smallest one they had. I always tell you guys that I go with the smallest fragrance that they have that I can buy, because I have so many fragrances, and I might get through this throughout the year, but I just wanted to have the smallest one. Now there was a signature one that came out a while back. I think even a couple years ago, maybe 2017. This is a sheer version take on that. Let's get back to the packaging. Packaging is gorgeous. I think it's shaped like a little diamond. It's transparent. It's see-through. It looks cute. It's very pretty to sit on any vanity. The bottle is definitely weighted. They definitely took some time. At this little bottle here, if you can see here, they do have it engraved there where it says Tiffany Co. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to be honest. Let's go ahead and spray it, and let's get into this review. So here's my little strips here. I wore this yesterday to brunch. The initial spray, it does smell good. It's fresh, it's clean, it's light. Like I said, this is a spin, I believe, on the signature one. I think this is a brighter, airier, lighter version of that one. That one is amazing too. I have some samples of that, but I don't have the actual fragrance. I actually wanted to go with the Sheer because it was a little bit lighter. Now, if you're a person who loves fragrance and you really want to make a standout, come out moment with fragrance, I don't necessarily think that this would be the one for you. If you don't have an everyday fragrance in your collection and you're looking for something that can go from year round, I really think this will be pretty in the spring and the summer. And I am talking about Tiffany Sheer. I believe this would be the way to go. I got this in my collection because I did have a need for it. I do not have an everyday go-to fragrance that you can just pick up, put on, and go every day. Some of my fragrances are too sexy, they're too intense, they are evasive. You're definitely gonna know I'm here. I've showed up, I've arrived. Hello. This is not that. This I sprayed on yesterday and purposely did it, and I put about, heavily sprayed it, and I went to a girl's brunch, and when I got there, I was waiting to see the reactions from others, and so one of the gals just said, "Oh my god, you smell really nice. What is it?" So I told her, but it wasn't overpowering. I could no longer smell it. Generally if I put on a Coco Mademoiselle, if I put on a Coco Noir, if I put on something like that, like I can get in the car and I smell myself like the whole entire ride. I got in the car and I did not smell this at all. However, when I arrived and showed up, she did say, oh my God, you smell nice. So it's very light, it's very clean, it's very fresh. I would use this, places, Sheree, that you would use this. I would use this if I was going to get out of the shower and let's say I was going to have company over. It's not invasive, it's not overpowering, it's not overbearing, so it's definitely light enough to be there, and you smell good and you smell fresh, but it's definitely not something that's going to give you a double take. I would never wear this on date night. I would never wear this if I wanted to make an impression. I would never wear this if I wanted to be seen, if I wanted to just show up and show out. I wouldn't reach for this. However, if I was going somewhere like yesterday, a brunch or something like that, and I just wanted to smell nice and fresh, like I cared, you know, hello, she knows what fragrance is, I would pair something like this. So if you're starting off, you don't have anything in your collection, you want something light, something that can be used. I believe you can use this year round. However, I do think it's really going to give the most bang for its buck in the spring. I just think it smells very fresh, very clean, and very spring. I'll put the notes up here so that you guys can see them as well. Like I said, this is their newest one. I picked this up actually at Tiffany's itself. I'm just that type of girl. Like, I love the experience. I love to go into the store. They treated me really, really well. I love the experience. I love the customer service. So I actually picked this up from the Tiffany store. So the top note would be blackcurrant, and it has a little yingling. Is that what it's called? Am I making that up? Yingling in it. It has like a sweet finish. So I do smell some floral in here, maybe a little bit of iris, not a whole lot. It's very fresh, it's very clean. If you're looking for something like that, I definitely would recommend this. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's about $68. This is, I believe, the smallest one that they have. It's not a wow factor. It's definitely not a double take. It's not gonna do that at all. However, for the reason why I picked it up and put it in my collection, it does deliver that. It's an everyday, simplistic, really nice luxury fragrance. It's not a wow factor. It's if you're picking up something and you're looking to be like, oh my God, that smells amazing. It's not one of those. If you're looking for something like, oh my God, this smells so sexy, it's not one of those. It's fresh, it's clean, and it's a beautiful package. It's gonna look beautiful in any vanity. Like I said, this is probably this is a 1 fluid ounce, and it just looks like that. It's gonna look beautiful in any vanity that you have there. It has the engraving here on the actual packaging, or actually at the top here that just says Tiffany Co. And this is their fragrance. I think they did okay. Do I think that I would repurchase this after I finish up with this? Probably not, but I'll definitely keep the container because it's definitely cute. Okay, let's move on. I did see a couple other ones there. I believe they have up to 8 fragrances now that I had no idea about. So this one here I got this around the holiday. It came with the holiday packaging, which I thought was super cute. It's the hot pink. Like I said, I'm bringing this out of the plastic as well. I did wear this a few days just to see how this was. This one is a little different to me. This is a Tiffany Co limited edition, and this is what they brought out for the holidays. So let's take this off here. Comes out like that. Has this little thing here just letting you know it's a limited edition. I really like this. I thought it was super cute, and I went ahead and got this. This to me could be worn right now. This to me is a little bit more heavier. This to me is not as springish. You can probably wear, I have worn it day and night, and both have been sufficient. It's not overly powerful. It's not, you know, too strong, but you definitely smell that it's there. I think I really like this one because it has one of my favorite scents in it, and that is patchouli. That is like my absolute favorite. You can't smell the just pure patchouli, but if you love patchouli, you can sense that it's in there. It also has a little bit of musk in there. It has a little bit of mandarin. It has a little bit of iris. It has different notes, things like that, like the top, the middle. I like this when you first spray it, and I like it as it dries down. It's subtle, but it's definitely there. The packaging here looks really nice. I had to have this. It was a limited edition. I'm a limited edition kind of girl. This is gonna look even prettier on my vanity. It has like a little mirror thing. I am gonna take it back and have it engraved, so in case you guys didn't know, you can take it back and have it engraved if you have not already had it engraved. The same thing up here, it just says Tiffany Co. The packaging is beautiful in itself. It's very nice. It just, the bottle in itself is just very, very, very nice. I have all kind of fingerprints on there. Sorry you guys, I was using it earlier. I wanted to give you a true review, so I was using it earlier, and this smells really, really nice. These fingerprints are gonna drive me crazy. I'm like, oh my God, I need something to clean this. I hate fingerprints. I hate it. So this packaging is really nice. Let's take out another card. I asked for these cards because I said, hello, I've got to share with my YouTube fam and let them know Oh yes. Now see, this one got me. Now this one I really do like. I'm not gonna, it's good. This one does smell good. This is not as light at all. That one, the sheer was very light, very minute, but definitely there. This is a little heavier, a little stronger. You can definitely smell a little musk, a little bit of iris. I would say I can smell some patchouli. I can definitely smell. It does smell really good. You can wear this. Now this, I mean the sheer, I would say wear it to the office, wear it to the workplace. I would say you can wear this anywhere. This can be your everyday, everywhere, anywhere scent, and you'd be okay. If somebody's gonna come up to you and ask you what you're wearing, I don't think so. I wouldn't go that far. It doesn't grab me like that, but everybody is different, and that's what I love about fragrance. They smell so different on every body and every chemistry. Somebody's body chemistry that can take off with and smell amazing. For me, it's just okay, but I knew what it was when it signed up, and that's why I got it, because before I bought any of these, I definitely got samples and tried them and wore them, and then I went back and purchased them because I did like it. Like I said, I have a need for that. This one here smells good. I love this. I would wear this at night. Would I wear this on date night? Let me see. I don't think so. It's nice. I wouldn't wear it on date night. I'd wear it for brunch. I'd wear it to church. I'd wear it to the mall, the movies. I'd wear it for a girls' night out. I wouldn't. If it was a first date, I might wear it because I wouldn't want to be doing the most or too much, you know what I mean? But where I'm at right now, no, I need something a little bit more seductive, but this is really nice. I love the packaging on this. This smelled really good for me. I don't have anything like this per se in my collection that when I smelled this, I automatically said, oh, this reminds me of this. So I got it, and I have a soft spot for Tiffany's as well. So definitely I would have picked it up anyway. I loved a limited edition. I'm a limited edition kind of girl. So that works well for me, you guys. If I could recommend one of the two, go with the Signature if you want something a little bit stronger than the sheer. If you want something a little bit lighter than the Signature, I would definitely recommend going with the sheer. If you want something a little bit different from both of those, I would definitely recommend going with the limited edition. I think you can still pick it up. The sheer just came out, I believe, at the top of this month or the end of last month, so it's very new. It should have no problem finding it. I picked both these up at the actual Tiffany store itself. This is 1.7 fluid ounces. This one here retails for 120. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more because you are paying for the packaging and you are paying for the fact that it is a limited edition. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Hopefully you have learned something from it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Like I said, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you like this content, give a big thumbs up. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.